Hello, everyone. I am Jennifer, and welcome back to English Learners Community. I'm really happy you're here today. Now, let me ask you a question. What's the weather like today where you live? Think about it. Did you say it's hot? Did you say it's raining? Or maybe it's cloudy? Talking about the weather is one of the most common things in English. People use it in small talk, in daily conversations, and even as a way to start friendly chats. So in this lesson, we're going to learn many useful sentences that you can use every day to describe the weather. But not just sentences, I'll also explain how to use them, and we'll practice together with short dialogues. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel confident talking about any kind of weather in English. Let's get started. Let's begin with sunny and hot weather. When the sun is shining brightly, you can say, "The sun is shining brightly today." That's a happy, positive sentence. If you wake up, look out the window, and see blue skies, you can say, "It's a beautiful sunny day." And if there are no clouds, you can add, "The sky is clear and blue." Now, sometimes sunny weather is not so pleasant. When it feels too warm, you can say, "It feels really hot outside." And if it's even worse, you can complain a little. "The heat is almost unbearable." Let's practice this together. Imagine you're with a friend. I'll play both rules. Friend: "Wow, it's so hot today." You: "Yes, the heat is almost unbearable." See how natural that sounds? Of course, when it's sunny, you also need to protect yourself. You can say, "Don't forget to wear sunglasses," or "I need some sunscreen." Quick practice. Repeat after me. It's a beautiful sunny day. The heat is almost unbearable. Good job! Now, let's move to rainy weather. When the rain just begins, you can say, "It's starting to rain." And if you're going outside, you might say, "Don't forget your umbrella." When the rain is heavy, English speakers often use an idiom. "It's raining cats and dogs." This doesn't mean animals are falling from the sky. It just means it's raining very heavily. Now, rain can also feel beautiful. You might say, "I love the sound of raindrops," or "The air smells nice after rain." Here's a mini dialogue. Friend: "Look outside. It's raining cats and dogs." You: "Yes, I got soaked in the rain earlier." Practice time. Repeat after me. It's starting to rain. The air smells nice after rain. Well done. All right, let's talk about windy weather. On a windy day, you can say, "It's really windy today," or describe what you see. "The trees are swaying in the wind." If the wind is very strong, you might shout, "Hold on to your hat." And sometimes wind makes it feel colder, so you can say, "The wind makes it feel colder." But wind isn't always bad. A soft wind can feel nice. You can say, "A cool breeze feels nice." Quick dialogue. Friend: "Shall we go for a walk?" You: "Yes, a cool breeze feels nice this evening." Repeat after me. It's really windy today. A cool breeze feels nice. Perfect. Now, let's go to cold and snowy weather. In winter, you might say, "It's freezing outside," or "I need to wear a warm coat." When snow falls, you can say, "Snow is falling gently." And the next morning, you may notice that the ground is covered in snow. Winter also brings fun. Children say, "Let's build a snowman." In some countries, lakes even freeze, so you can say, "The lake is frozen." Dialogue example. Friend: "Brr, it's freezing outside." You: "I know, I need to wear a warm coat." Quick practice. Repeat after me. Snow is falling gently. The ground is covered in snow. Great. Now, let's go to cloudy and stormy weather. Not every day is sunny. Sometimes the sky is full of clouds. You can say, the sky is full of clouds, or the weather looks gloomy. When a storm is coming, you can say, a storm is on the way. If you see flashes, you can say, I saw lightning in the sky. And if it's loud, you can say, thunder is really loud tonight. Storms can make us nervous. You might say, stormy weather makes me nervous. But always stay positive. Hopefully the weather clears up soon. Dialogue. Friend, I don't like the stormy weather. You? Hopefully the weather clears up soon. Practice. Repeat after me. The weather looks gloomy. Hopefully the weather clears up soon. Excellent. So today we learned many useful sentences about the weather. We talked about sunny days, rainy days, windy weather, cold, snowy winters, and cloudy, stormy skies. Let's do a quick review together. I'll say the beginning of a sentence and you finish it. It's a beautiful day. It's raining. Cats and dogs. The trees are swaying in the wind. Snow is falling gently. Hopefully the weather clears up soon. Did you say them out loud? Great job. Weather is one of the easiest topics for small talk. When you meet someone, instead of just saying hello, you can add something like, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? Or, looks like it might rain today. These small sentences make you sound natural and friendly in English. Thank you so much for watching and practicing with me. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning videos. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.